Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool things right here, and basically what these are some corner protectors. So if you guys have any like furniture at home that has like a sharp corner, so this is basically where this comes in handy. So you guys can actually stick this onto the corner to protect yourself, your kids, or your pets, or whatever from getting hurt once they hit the head on there. Because the way how to design this part right here definitely give you guys the protection when you guys bump on here, it won't hurt compared to like your furniture that has like a sharp corner. So this is basically what the packaging looks like right here. If you can see, if you turn it back right here, they basically provide you guys information on how to set it up. But let me actually open this up first to show you guys what the product looks like before we actually install it. Alright, so first thing you can see inside, it looks like they provide you guys some adhesive tape that's in use to stick on the product. If you can see, there's definitely a bunch of these right here. And then right underneath that is the actual product right here. So let's take it out. So they basically provide you guys 12 of these right here. And you guys just want to stick it onto your corner of your table or wherever you guys want to set this up. So you can see there's a bunch of these right here. And they're basically all the same thing, if you guys can see. So for the product, you don't actually need to use the adhesive tape if you don't want to. But you definitely can if you guys do want to. So if you guys want to be more secure on the actual product, you probably want to use adhesive tape to actually stick it on. So that is basically everything that's on the product here. Let me actually bring this over and set this up to show you guys how to install it and also show you guys whether it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so for example right here, if you can see we have a pretty sharp corner right here. So whether I'm going to use like the adhesive tape or if you guys don't want to, that is up to you guys. But all we need to do is go like this and just insert it in. And we see once we actually put it in, it definitely gives you guys the protection on here. And so the material that they use on here is like a silicone material. It definitely has a little bit of a non-stick material on here. So you can definitely leave it like that if you guys want to. But if you guys want like a more secure fit, you definitely want to add that adhesive tape on here. So if you guys do want to add like the adhesive tape, let me actually show you guys how it actually looks like and how to install it. Alright, so I basically want to peel one of these tape right here and actually stick it on. So I basically want to stick one of these right here inside. So once we have that part in, you want to peel this part out and then stick it onto here. Alright, so we just peeled it. So all we need to do is just stick it on. And if you guys want extra security on here, if you guys want to put two more on here to actually hold it in, you definitely can. But you don't have to if you don't want to. So I just want to stick it onto right here. And then stick it on. So if you guys actually bump here in the corner, you don't have to worry about it anymore because it definitely has the protection on here. But that is basically how you set a product, if you can see. Pretty easy and very simple. If you guys ever need to remove it, all you need to do is get like a hair dryer or blow dryer and turn it on high heat and blow it out since they do use adhesive tape on here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you saw a quick test of the product and definitely see that actually does work. Actually works quite well. Super easy to install the product. Like I mentioned, if you do not want to use the adhesive tape to actually stick it on, you don't have to. But you definitely should if you guys want to actually make it more secure. And the cool thing about this product here is the fact that it's flexible, if you guys can see. And they mentioned how it's actually tear proof as well, so it shouldn't break anytime soon. And they mentioned how these are actually universal, so it should fit almost any kind of table. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Not like unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys have like a really sharp corner on your table, you definitely want to get one of these right here to add that like extra protection layer on here. So that way you guys don't have to worry about hurting yourself or your kids or your pet or whatever. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.